world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. You're welcome to Atindi for Real YouTube channel. Ekaro, ekason, ekale, no, bonjour, salama po. Ina kwana naini ya dangana ga lokacin da kake kallon wannan video. Yes, it's yet another video. This is actually in partnership with the Avive Hunters. And this is super interesting, guys. As you know, the previous video I made on how you can actually share your gift codes and at the same time share your magic stones. There has been some little changes with the Telegram bot. So right here, right now, I'm about to show to you how you can simply go about sharing these codes. And before you know, you can get a lot of people who will be using your codes and even joining your exchange card. So this is super interesting. Stay tuned as I will be taking you a walkthrough on how you can actualize this. So first of all, you have to click on tools right here. By the way, there is an updated version of this app. You can go to Play Store and update your app to see that these write-ups are actually bolder than the previous video I made. So this is actually my soul power and this is the team power. So all you have to do is to click on tools. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now you can see we are under magic stone. So magic stone here, this is where you can come in to initiate in order to establish to join for 4 people to join you. So that will make you to be, you click on initiate, that will make you to be the first person. This is yourself and this is the name of the stone, magic stone. This is fire magic stone, and you have 4 people waiting for them to join you from 2nd to 5. So right here you can as well cancel. So the final soul power should be giving you 2100 soul power. All right, so this is where, by the way, under airdrop, this is where you have your soul power and this is your team power. So all you have to do is to go to tools. Okay, now let's cancel this execution and come back right here. You can see that you can as well join, okay, by going to the Telegram group. Let me minimize. This is the exchange Avive global exchange code group. So here you can get at least a code that suits your name right here. Okay, so this is fire magic stone. You can see people are sharing theirs. So there's a little bit of difference. You can see there is nobody here sending a longer message just like I shared the last time, right? So the bot is being programmed not to allow those long chats to go in there, so that it will give everybody a seamless and free opportunity for everybody to share that. So you can see the gift codes, people sharing different kinds of stuff. So let's come right here. Now let's initiate. On the last video, I initiated. Let's initiate. Always make sure when initiating, you initiate for 5. You click here. You click on initiate. All right. So you copy the code. Code copy successful. So we are now going to look for people. This is actually fire magic stone. We're back to Telegram. You paste it here. Okay, so you edit it by cleaning up some of this. I'm highlighting to delete. So right here again, now this is the exchange code. You clean, so you copy. All right, you come down and then you paste. Okay, I just gave 2 space gap here. So right here, let's bring it back down. So it's 2 space between each other that I just made here. So this is actually fire magic stone. Just went back to get the name, so I write them in capital letter, fire magic stone. So not necessarily you must put it in capital letter, but I want it to be very visible. So before you send all, you have to copy it, okay, so that you won't be repeating the write-up of this. So let's send. All right, so now we are looking for people. So now it's programmed for 10 seconds. So if you come right down here, if you scroll a bit up, you can see that this is what we shared, right? And everyone here is sharing it without writing a bulky messages like I did the last time, where you put some fire and all of those stuff. So you see, if you notice, any long message that comes in will be deleted. Okay, you have 10 seconds to send each message. So The magic stone is really not too hard to get, okay, to get complete people to join you. But on the side of the code, it's kind of like, you see, the long message has disappeared. So make sure that you don't write much. You see, this is very short, despite that it has fire. Any long message, so you see, this will disappear. You see, it has disappeared. So if you have been sharing code, maybe, and you think nobody is joining, maybe you should check to adjust. You see, that message is deleted. Now this person keeps on sending these messages, not being aware that the messages are not really going through. He's not aware that it's not going through. So he kept sending these messages and thinking nobody is joining. So you need to be careful. You need to be mindful. Just write some short stuff attached to your code, right? So let's share like 2 to 3 more before we go back to check. So I just shared one now. Okay, it's 10 seconds. So that means we're taking 30 seconds. Not pretty bad. So you see the long message is gone. Any long messages are kicked out by the bot. The bot is the moderator of the group. He has been programmed to do the work. So, well, I'm sharing up to 4 now. All right, let's go back in there and check. Let's minimize and go back. So the updated version, instead of trying to click on another thing to refresh, all you got to do is to drag it down. It will refresh. So you see, we now have 5. All right, we have 5 people who have joined. So all we have to do is to execute. You click on confirm. Voila, that's it. It has disappeared. So the same thing comes back here to gift box. How you can share gift codes. See, you copy, you go right in here, you highlight. Okay, let me show you a little bit of the strategy I use. Paste it. So you highlight all this, you delete, right? So you come here, you delete this. Don't forget, this is for what? Magic stone. All you have to do is to copy this last one. You copy. So you highlight on this one, then you paste. You long click to highlight. Okay, just tap on the first writing. It will come back to only it. So you paste. So you see, no need to delete. All you have to do now is to change to gift code, right? Gift code. So you can take off the last one. Sorry, I highlighted all. Okay, just 2 is what you need. So you highlight all to copy. You start sending. So this, it kind of like take time. So I won't be sharing these from the beginning to the end, like showing you how it's going. But this is how to keep sharing. And when you are sharing, you can give yourself, maybe, since this is kind of like difficult to get, you can give yourself like 10 times of sharing. Then you go right back into it in order for you to check if you have people who have joined you. So it's pretty interesting. It's nice. Make sure you are observant and make sure you are using this, because this will help you to be getting a lot of these very particular VV coins. So it's very important. It's very significant for you to accumulate more of these VV coins. So make sure you take your time at your leisure and play along with the task, right? You have to get to play along with the task in order for you to get this done. You see, the long message is gone. So let's minimize and check. So you can just simply right now refresh. It wasn't working that way. So you see, this is not really that too easy to get. So that's how to go about it. And once again, this is a video in partnership with Avive Hunters. Okay, and it's super interesting right here to see the growth of this wonderful platform, how it has achieved a lot in just a very short time. And it's dishing out free Bitcoin in referral rewards, right? And on a daily, you keep on getting these Satoshis, okay? That's the fraction of Bitcoins. So guys, if in case you like the kind of video I create on this content I create on this video, on this very particular YouTube channel, all you gotta do is to like, subscribe, hit on the notification bell so that each time I'm live or each time I have a new video like this very one, you will get notification right straight from YouTube. So a very special big shout out to Avive Hunters for this collaboration. I pray that we'll continue to grow and keep on giving the word out there to people. So guys, if you, in case you need some clarity about some wonderful free mining applications, you want to keep up to date with some wonderful information and how to go about some cryptocurrency stuff, all you got to do is to join my WhatsApp channel. The link is down in the description, where I help out in giving out some details and even some guides on how to go about it. So thank you very much and remain blessed, and I say bye for now.